So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to change the YouTube app language like Italian, French, Bangla, etc. So let's learn to the next. First click on the setting option, then after that click on general, and here you can see the options of app language. So simply tap on it, and then after that you saw that here is the many types of languages are given there, right? So select your own language which you want to. Okay, here are the many type of options languages. You can select anyone. So if you want to select it in English, then you can put it, right. Simply tap on it and then change. So finally your language is changed into Hindi language. If you want to change your language in Hindi, I just give you an example to understand, right. So if you want to select in Hindi language, your proper device of this application is changed in Hindi language. And if you want to change again in English language, then after that you have to click on English language. Then your language of this application will be changed, right. So just wait and watch carefully, right. So finally I can select the English language and it proper set on in English. Thank you so much. All the very best. Let's learn together.